Hi, I'm Brian with the Tennant Company, and in the next few minutes, I will show the proper setup, use, and end-of-shift steps for your Tennant wet-dry vacuum. We offer 3 different wet-dry vacuums, which are the VWD9, VWD24, and VWD24P. Our lawyers wanted me to remind you that while this video will cover the basics, it's your responsibility to read and fully understand the operator's manual and safety labels before using the machine. These wet-dry vacuums are intended for commercial use in schools, hospitals, shops, offices, hotels, and more. Their rugged design helps ensure long, useful life even in demanding conditions. All of them feature a durable polyethylene tank, which is shock and wear resistant with a 10-year warranty, locking flexible hose, and an ergonomic design. They are easy to maneuver with swiveling wheels and a robust handle. The aluminum and plastic tube is stronger than aluminum tubes while remaining light like a plastic tube. They all come with a variety of tools as well as a SaniFilter featuring a silver ion-based antibacterial treatment. The total water volume of these tanks measured in net capacity are 14.5 gallons for the WD24P, 15.6 gallons for the WD24, and 6.6 gallons for the WD9. You may notice the gross volume is 24 gallons and 9 gallons, which is the industry standard metric for wet-dry vacuums. Let me show you the inside of the vacuum and how it helps you get the job done. This innovative head gasket provides a strong seal even when vacuuming oily or chemical residues. These hooks are shock resistant and durable. The sealing float and integrated anti-foam system detects and blocks liquids when the tank is full, protecting the system and ensuring maximum safety. The machine components included in your VWD24 box will be the vacuum hose and floor attachments, main filter, float valve, paper bag, extension cord, and wand handle clip. Before operating, attach the cord restraint to the handle and loop the extension cord through the cord restraint as shown. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Connect vacuum hose to the machine. Select a desired accessory tool and connect to vacuum hose. For dry vacuuming, first insert the main polyester filter into the tank. Mount the head or top of the tank and lock it with the yellow touch point latches. If your vacuum is equipped with a paper or microfiber bag, slide it over the deflector. Press the on-off switch and start cleaning. For wet vacuuming, remove the main polyester filter from the tank. Mount the head on top of the tank and lock it with the yellow touch point latches. Be sure this tank drain hose cap is snug to prevent suction loss. Turn the on-off switch and start cleaning. The VWD24P also features a powerful submersible pump that will empty the tank even as it's still working. This is great for floods, emergency services, or other high-volume wet cleaning applications. For hard-to-reach areas, there's also an optional 32-foot discharge hose kit available. If you're using your vacuum to recover scrubber solution, floor stripper, or other liquids from a large area of the floor, the optional front mount squeegee attachment will make the job easy. Once installed per the instructions, just connect the vacuum hose to the squeegee assembly. Loop the hose and attach it to the plastic clip. Lift the foot pedal with your toe to release the squeegee from its raised position. This handy actuation decal is included with the kit and shows your operator how to lower and raise the squeegee. Then just turn on the unit and maneuver the machine to recover the liquid. You will notice these white nylon wheels make it easy to maneuver as it gets heavier with a full tank. It's a good idea to periodically check the squeegee blade for proper height adjustment. It should flex about 45 degrees during use. Turn these knobs counterclockwise to raise or clockwise to lower the squeegee. It's a good idea to sweep up larger debris in the area before using the squeegee to prevent any streaking. Although the VWD24P is primarily used for wet applications, you can also use the optional dual filtration system to protect the motor from dust during dry vacuuming. To keep your machine in good working condition, we recommend a few steps when you're finished with your daily work. Wipe the machine housing with a cloth and mild detergent. Inspect vacuum hose for holes, loose cuffs, or clogged debris. Inspect power cord for damage and coil cord neatly after each use. Check the bag and replace it if it's full. Wash the main polyester filter by hand with a mild detergent if needed. And remember to let it dry thoroughly before replacing. This will restore your polyester filter so you can maintain good suction performance. After wet vacuuming, drain and rinse the tank and ensure that the float valve is clean and operating properly. Before storing the machine, be sure you have emptied and rinsed the tank and tools. If a bag is present, check to make sure if it's full or damaged and replace if necessary. Store the machine in a dry area in the upright position. If the machine is equipped with the optional squeegee kit, remove the squeegee assembly from the bracket and hang to dry to prevent corrosion. You've now learned the basics of successfully operating and maintaining your machine. At Tennant, we know clean buildings are important. Kids need clean schools to learn. Clean hospitals give people confidence in the care they receive. Clean stores encourage customers to shop longer and more often. We also know that buildings don't clean themselves, and the care you take every day enables people to be their best in the spaces you make clean. We hope the work that we do to create efficient and effective cleaning equipment helps to make your tough job just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and thank you for what you do.